Now here's a climate story with an unexpected twist. Scientists say that cleaner air during COVID lockdowns may have actually helped one of the most dangerous greenhouse gases build up faster in the atmosphere. Now, this new study published in the journal Science says methane, which is a powerful heat-trapping gas, rose at a record pace during the early years of the pandemic. Now, normally, methane does not just stay in the air forever. It's broken down by tiny molecules in the atmosphere and that act like a natural cleaning system. These molecules help wash out methane over time. So what went wrong during COVID? Well, when lockdowns shut down travel, factories and businesses, air pollution dropped sharply. And that sounds like a good news, but it also reduced a key pollutant that is needed to create those cleaning molecules. With fewer cleaners in the air, methane built up much faster than usual. Now, the study's lead author said that about 80% of the spike in methane levels during 2020 and 2021 can be explained by this weakened atmosphere cleaning system. And methane is a serious problem. Methane stays in the atmosphere for a shorter time than carbon dioxide, but over a 20-year period, it traps about 80 times more heat. And that makes it one of the biggest drivers of near-term climate change. And scientists say methane levels peaked in 2020, rising at a faster rate ever recorded, before slowing again in 2023 as pollution levels and atmospheric chemistry began to stabilize. Well, there's another factor behind the methane surge, and that is weather. The study links rising methane to unusually wet conditions in tropical regions during the La Nina climate pattern between 2020 and 2023. Wetter weather boosted emissions from wetlands, rivers, lakes, and rice farming. Wetlands are natural methane producers, and when they stay flooded for longer, they release more gas into the air. And scientists say warming and wetter conditions could make this worse in the future. The findings raise an important challenge for climate policy. And researchers stress that improving air quality remains essential, but say it must go hand in hand with faster cuts to greenhouse gas emissions, especially methane, and that is to avoid unintended side effects. Nearly 160 countries have signed the global methane pledge, committing to cut methane emissions by 30% by 2030 compared to 2020 levels. Now, scientists warn that as the planet gets warmer and wetter, methane emissions can play an even bigger role in driving climate change, making urgent action more important than ever.